Hello everyone! Welcome to this slow English practice video. Today I will introduce myself and you will practice English with me. So you can listen carefully, repeat out loud, and answer the questions in the comments below. Let's start. My name is Tatiana. I am Tatiana. I'm Tatiana, and you can call me Tati. I am 30 years old. I'm 30. I am happy at this age because every day I learn a new thing about myself. What about you? What's your name and how old are you? To answer the question, remember that you can say I am and you mention your name. I am Tatiana. My name is Tatiana. And I am 30 years old. I am 30. I am from Colombia and I live in a very beautiful city. Its name is Medellin. My city is not very big, but it is a nice place to live and it has friendly and hardworking people. I don't live with my family here. They live far away from here. They live in the countryside, and I live in the city. I miss my family every day, but I visit them often. What about you? Where are you from? Where do you live? And who do you live with? I mean, do you live with your family? With your children? With your husband? Wife? Do you live alone? I am an English teacher. I teach English online. I help people learn English in a slow, simple, and clear way. I love my job because I meet people from many different countries. My job makes me feel proud and happy. What about you? What do you do for work? Do you like your job? To answer this question, you can say, I am, and later you mention your occupation. I am a dentist. I am an accountant, a driver, a housewife. Or you can also say, I work as a driver. I work as a teacher. I work as an accountant. In my free time, I like cooking and also reading. Sometimes I read in English. Sometimes I read in Spanish. I also like watching movies, especially romantic movies. And sometimes I like watching sci-fi movies. I work from home every day. I mean that I work in my house on my computer every day. So I also like going for a walk in the evenings. It helps me think and disconnect from work. What about you? What do you like doing in your free time? Do you like dancing, watching movies, listening to music, cooking? Let me know in the comments. I think I am a patient person. I am also friendly but shy. I feel timid when I speak with other people. I am also positive. I try to stay positive even on difficult days. I enjoy helping people, especially people who are learning English. What about you? How do you describe yourself? To answer this question, you can say, I am friendly, hardworking, calm, responsible, funny, and many more adjectives that you can use to describe your personality. Thank you for practicing slow English with me today. I hope this video helps you speak English confidently. See you in the next lesson.